These points represent an exponential function, and we want to write the equation of the exponential function. The first thing we can find is A. A is the initial amount. In other words, when time is 0. So we're going to go looking for where the x is 0 and the y coordinate is 1/5. So the first thing I can do is replace the A in my equation with 1/5. Okay. I still need to find the B value, and you can use any point in here to find the B value. This is an introduction, so you will find that it's common that they're going to give you a point where the x coordinate is 1, but in general, I can use any one of these x comma y's and substitute them in. But I would prefer to select the point that is the easiest one there, and these are both positive numbers, they're both small numbers, so I'd like to go with that. So I'm going to replace this y with this y, so there's a 1. I'm going to replace this x with this 1, and then I still have equals 1/5, and then b to the power of 1. Then anything to the first power is just itself, so this is 1/5 b equals 1. If you would like, you can think, well, to get rid of multiply by 1/5, I'll divide by 1/5. What I do to one side, I do to the other. So I could do 1 divided by 1/5 in my calculator. But in general, it's also kind of nice to think, if I want to get rid of multiplying by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. And the reciprocal of 1/5 is 5/1. So if I multiply both sides by 5/1, those cancel, and I have b by itself equals, and then 5/1 is 5, and 5 times 1 is 5. Now that I know both a and b, we can write the equation. So it's going to be y equals, and the a we found, again, it's always going to be the coordinate where the time is 0, so 1/5, and then b to the power of, so I'm going to say in parentheses, 5 is what we found, to the power of x. Now don't accidentally think you can multiply these together. You cannot do that. Exponents happen before multiplication. That's why those can't be combined.